LBMotors' new project is this Ford Focus C-Tech, what's been cast because of this damage here. Bumper, headlight, bonnet, and we think the bumper bar probably. But other than that, it's a tidy car. 80,000 miles. Yeah, all the rest of it's in pretty good condition. I went over to Essex at the weekend to Benfleet Breakers. They helped me out and got a bonnet and crash bar, headlight and other bits and pieces, so definitely worth a visit to them. Clean and tidy, place was spotless, very helpful. So let's get some bits off and start investigating what's wrong.
Right, that's the headlights out. There's 1 and 2 holding it in, and then the headlight clip, just push your screwdriver in there and push it back. Same for this side. It's marked out, it is damaged there, but we'll keep digging.
So now we got most of the front off. You can see how bad this chassis bumper leg is, bumper bar, all twisted here, twisted there. See, but we have got a brand new one, or a used one, genuine Ford. Yeah, fairly straightforward actually. And, there are a few bits we're going to need. The ECU case where it's broke off this bracket, and a few other little bits and pieces. Everything came off quite simply. Probably didn't need to unclip this coolant hose, could have just done it from the thing, but I've just tied a glove around it for now. Seemed to work.